Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to refurbish car rims. You don't have to spend a fortune to replace your rims if they only have minor dents or scratches. Materials needed for painting rims: rim cleaning solution or degreaser, sandpaper with various grits, metal file for rough sanding, car putty, adhesive tape, newspapers, paper, protective foil, gray anti-corrosion primer spray, rim paint spray, protective clear coat, transparent matte or glossy lacquer spray for car rims. Now let's see exactly what steps you need to follow to do a great job. Begin with a rim cleaner, degreaser, or the water and soap mixture mentioned earlier. Pay special attention to narrow spaces and areas between the spokes. Use a sponge to ensure you reach every area. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry the surface. Step 2. Repair scratches or prominent marks. Use the metal file to even out dents, and then use coarse sandpaper to smooth the scratched surfaces. Step 3. Removing the paint. Sand the entire rim with 180 grit sandpaper, followed by 320 grit. After sanding, degrease the rim. Based on its condition, apply putty as needed. This layer becomes the base for applying paint and lacquer. Apply putty to any cracks and unsightly marks on the rim. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Step 4. Wash the rims again. Then, wipe them with a degreaser, rubbing alcohol, paint thinner, or spirit. Ensure the surface is smooth and any imperfections are removed. Sand and brush the surface with a wire sponge until it's perfectly smooth. Step 5. Protect adjacent surfaces. Before painting, protect the tire and valve stem with paper, foil, newspapers. Make sure to apply protection up to the in edge of the rim, so that no part of the tire is exposed. Secure the protection with adhesive tape. Step 6. Apply the primer. After all these preparations, you can start applying the first coat of primer. The primer seals the putty layer, if used, and allows for better adhesion of the spray paint. It increases durability as well. Apply the primer in multiple layers to achieve a smooth surface, letting each layer dry before applying the next. After the first coat, check if the rim is well puttied. If there are any visible imperfections, add another layer of putty, and after drying, wet sand it with fine grit sandpaper. Step 7. Painting the rims. Shake the paint as instructed on the label, and carefully spray over the prepared surface. The label will also give you the ideal spraying distance for even coverage and the recommended number of coats. Avoid holding the spray too close to the rim to prevent drips. Let the first coat dry completely, then apply the next one. Step 8. Lacquering. The clear coat adds a glossy finish and protects the paint from weather elements. Apply it at the end to give your rim a pleasing appearance. For the best results, apply the lacquer in 2 successive coats. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.